With Sage Invoice Payments, you can request and receive payments from your customers by either card using Stripe or PayPal. Once paid, any transactions automatically post into Sage 50 accounts. To show you how it works, we'll quickly enter a product invoice. We'll just choose the first customer account that we have available and also add a product. That's our invoice entered and we're ready to email it to our customer. We'll just accept our favourite layout and send it to email. And that's it sent. If you close out of the layouts list and OK the update ledgers message to post it to the customer's account. We'll then just close the report and close out of the blank invoice back to the invoices and credits list. We're now going to take a quick look at what it looks like from the customer's perspective. So the customer receives an email with the invoice attached. They open the invoice attachment, and if we scroll to the bottom of the invoice, beneath the totals you can see the Pay Now button. So as and when the customer is ready to pay you, they just click Pay Now. They're directed to the payments area of our website, which shows the details of the outstanding invoice. They then click their payment method, so in this case we're going to choose the card payment option, and then we simply enter the card details. Once entered, we click the Pay button. The payment complete message appears and they can close out of the web page. For your customer, that's the process complete. They've received the invoice and they've paid you. We're now going to switch back to see what that looks like from your perspective. Now at this stage we don't know that our customers actually paid us, so if we pop into customers, we can see against the customer there's an outstanding balance of £120. If we have a quick look at the activity, we can see there's one outstanding transaction, which was the invoice we entered a few minutes ago. The invoice payments option will automatically check for any receipts from your customers. However, we can force it to do it manually. To do that, we just pop into settings, choose invoice payments, and then click Sync Now. We'll click Yes to continue, and OK the message advising that the sync is complete. If we then just close the invoice payments window and go back to our customers list, you'll see the balance against the account is now 0. And if we access the activity, in addition to the original invoice, we've now got a customer receipt that's being posted automatically by the invoice payments option. As you'd expect, there is a charge for using this service, and you'll be charged per transaction by the payment provider, so in this case by Stripe or PayPal. If we pop into the transactions list, you'll see there are 3 transactions: the original invoice we posted, the customer receipt that's been downloaded, and also a bank payment for the charge that's been charged by the payment provider, and that's been entered automatically as well. If we pop into the bank accounts list, you'll see we have a dummy account set up for both Stripe and PayPal. In this case we've used the Stripe option. Against the Stripe account we've got the value of the customer receipt less the charge applied. If we want to transfer that to our current account, we just select the account, click Bank Transfer, and then just complete the bank transfer window specifying the account that you want to transfer the funds to, the date of the transfer. We'll use the default reference, skip past the extra reference, use the default details, enter the amount that we want to transfer, click Save, and that's it done.